Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well, safe and sound, staying at your home, and I hope you are doing all your activities given by your teachers. I also hope that you are passing a very crucial moment during this COVID-19 virus. But my dear student, I also hope that you are maintaining social distancing and you are also following the rules of health and hygiene, and you are taking the nutritious food. So dear students, I hope if you maintain these rules and regulations, you will be safe and sound. Okay, dear students, now welcome to my online class. I hope if you just observe this class, then you will learn more. Look, my identity, I am Palash Kumar Mondal, Assistant Teacher, English, Jashore, Jilai School, Jashore. I am also well by the grace of Almighty God, and I am doing all the activities staying at home. That is, I am following the rules of health and hygiene. Okay, my dear students, today at first our lesson introduction. Today I will take a class on English for today for the students of class 6, and our today's lesson is 23. Okay, dear students, look at the pictures. What are they called? Look here very attentively. Okay, the first one is the pyramids, and the second one is the Taj Mahal, and the last one is the Eiffel Tower. Okay, dear students, can you remember the last class? Yes, you can remember. We just learned about the wonders of the world from the last class, and here you can see some structures, huge building, okay, and huge tombs. The first one is pyramid, and the second one Taj Mahal and Eiffel Tower. Actually, all these are structures, and these are huge structure, and these are of course awesome and fabulous. Okay, we know that these are called the wonders of the world undoubtedly, but my dear students, today we will learn another wonders of the world. Okay, now dear students, look at the pictures here. Just look at the screen, dear students. Look, what can you see here on the screen? Of course, here we can see a lot of pictures, and I think you are almost familiar with these pictures. The first one is a desktop, laptop, mobile phone, okay, and another instrument, okay. You know this is another wonder of the world. Why? Because now these instruments or these tools have made our life comfortable and easier. We can't think of a single day without the use of these tools or instruments, because we use them for various activities, okay, and we will learn a bit later. Okay, dear students, now look at the screen and look at here another pictures. Okay, look here, we can also see some pictures. The first one is a picture of a drone, and the another picture is aeroplane, rocket. Okay, can you say what are? Yes, you can say this is the invention of modern science. Okay, and now think yourself that we have made our life very faster and easier by the use of these vehicles. Think about it, just we can travel from one place to another place very easily with by using these vehicles. Okay, now the world has become very smaller. Okay, dear students, now look, so our today's topic is wonders of the world 2. Dear students, in the last class we learned about huge structures or tombs or wonders of the world, especially of the past times. Okay, and during this time we can know about this instrument. These instruments or inventions are not less important than the previous structures. So here we can say undoubtedly this is also the wonders of the world too. My dear students, now after completing the lesson you will be able to read and understand the text, know about wonders of the world, okay, answer the questions, complete a table with information given in the passage, and at last write a paragraph. My dear beloved students, now this time we will be familiar with some new words, that is introducing new words. Okay, the first one is huge. Look at the picture, huge. Can you say the meaning of huge? Yes, you can say the meaning of huge is big or large. Can you make any sentence with the help of the word huge? Yes, he has a huge money, or there is huge furniture in the room. Okay, next one, awesome. Okay, look, awesome. Can you give another word of awesome or any new word? Yes, awesome means excellent or extraordinary. The building is awesome, or you look awesome. You look awesome. Okay, here you can also make a lot of sentence by using the word awesome. Your handwriting is awesome. Okay, look, the next one is information. Okay, my dear beloved students, information. Can you give another word of information? Okay, look, information means message or news or data. Okay, look, here we can make a sentence by using the word information. We can store information in our computer, or he sent me an information. Okay, and our computer is a storehouse of information. Okay, look, the next one, lonely. Look here, the picture attentively, lonely. Can you give another word of lonely? Yes, lonely means isolated or alone. Okay, here you can make a sentence with the word lonely. Lonely. The elderly people pass their time lonely. Look, updated. Look, updated. Can you give another word of updated? Yes, here we can see another word. Updated means improved or new. Okay. Look, here we can make a sentence with the word updated just by using computer. We can keep ourselves updated. Okay. Dear students, now look at the screen. Here we can get another word, spacecraft. Look at the picture here attentively. Spacecraft, that is another word of spacecraft is a spaceship or a space shuttle. Okay. Can you make a new sentence with the help of or by the word spacecraft? Yes, by using a spacecraft, the astronauts are going or usually go to the space or go to the moon. Okay. And a spacecraft is a wonder of the world, undoubtedly. Look here, useful. Can you make or can you give another new word of useful? Yes, useful means essential or handy. We can say mobile phone has become a useful tool nowadays. Okay. Look at the word connect. Look here, connect. Can you give another word, another new word of connect? Yes, connect means annex or add. We can connect ourselves through mobile phones or laptop or computer. Okay. Or mobile phone has connected the whole world. Okay. Look, sphere. Sphere means, can you give or can you apply another word of sphere? Yes, sphere means field or area. You know that just we use computer in every sphere of our life. Okay, dear students, now I hope you have learned so many words and also they are making and the process of making sentence. Now this time or this session we will learn the functions of computer. Okay. Look here at the screen some pictures. Okay. Look, computers. Actually computer has or the invention is computer is very important in human life. Okay. Yes, computer has changed the lifestyle of people of the world. We can use it for studies, communication, watching movies, listening to music, playing games, etc. People don't feel lonely as they can send emails to their friends and relatives. With the help of a computer, a person can keep himself updated. At present, it has become a part of our daily life. Okay, dear students, now you have understood the usefulness of computer. Just without computer, we can't think of our daily life, and in every sphere, and we find the use of computer in every sphere of our life. Now we can communicate with our near and dear ones who live far away from our countries, and we don't feel loneliness. That is why we can say that this tool has become a very important tools in our life. We can keep ourselves updated by using this computer. So we should learn the use of computer, and as it is very helpful for us. Okay, dear students, now look at the pictures. Okay, dear students, look the first one. Here you can see some people. Okay, actually people had to walk to go a long distance, and then they had to use horse, camel, and donkey to go a long distance that took long times. Okay, and as they had no way to go to a long distance, that is why they needed to walk or ride on animals, and for that that needed more time and more money. Okay, and that is why it was very difficult to go to a long distance. Now, dear students, here on the screen you can see two persons. Can you guess who they are? Now look, they are, the first one is Orville Wright, and the next one is Wilbur Wright. Okay, but do you know why they are so important in the history of the world? Yes, now I will say, look, but before saying, now let us enjoy a video. This was the first flight of Wright brothers on December 17, 1903. Okay, dear students, a few times ago we have just enjoyed a video, and now look at the pictures very attentively. Okay, dear students, Not 100 years before human being used to think, had I the wings of a bird. But at last the dream came true when the Wright brothers flew with the first aeroplane. Dear students, now people can travel than a bird. They not only travel from one continent to another continent, they travel from one planet to another planet. Spacecrafts have on the Mars. Every now and then the spacecrafts are going to see the condition of other planets. And you know that people have on the moon is an old story. Now and then or the people are planning to be inter-space citizens in the coming days. A day will come when people will live in the moon, take education from the Jupiter and spend vacation in another space 1,000 light years away. Okay, dear students, now we have understood how the world has become so faster, and we can go from one place to another place with very easily and comfortably. Just we can visit from one part of the world to another part very speedily. Okay, dear students, as that is why we can undoubtedly say that these vehicles are also the wonders of the world. Okay, dear students, now the use of mobile phone. Look at the picture very attentively. Okay, dear students, you know that mobile phone has become very useful to us. It are very useful to us. We can use them for various purposes such as making calls, listening to music, taking photographs, storing information, etc. Even we can use it for distance learning. So, dear students, we should know the use of mobile phone, because mobile phone in the past it was very tough to communicate with people from one place to another place. Now after inventing mobile phone, we can easily communicate with various persons in the world. Now we don't feel lonely, and we can use it for multi-purpose, for various purposes. Okay, we can sing song, enjoy music, or enjoy video. We can take photographs. We can continue our studies through mobile phone. That is why we can say that mobile phone has become the part of our life. Okay, look, dear students, now this time we will read the words in column A and match them with the meanings in column B. Look, lonely. Now you have to match this. Okay, lonely means, can you say, look, lonely means isolation. Look here, lonely means isolation. Then sphere, sphere means area. Look here and match your answer with you. Impact, okay, impact means influence. Look, and of course you will match this with your answer. Wonder, wonder means surprise. Okay, dear students, look, wonder means surprise. And last, spacecraft. Spacecraft means a vehicle that travels in space. Okay, dear students, if you go through the text, and if you be attentive, or if you read attentively, then you will learn more and you will make good result in the exam. Okay, now dear students, here is another question Okay, look here, read the words in column A and match the opposite meanings given in column B. Okay, look here, you are to match this word, but here the meaning is opposite meaning. Unbelievable. Can you say what is the opposite word of unbelievable? Unbelievable means believable. Opposite word is believable. Look, awesome. Awesome, the opposite word is simple. And next, fabulous means ordinary, sadharun. Tremendous means tiny, choto. The opposite of tremendous is tiny. And updated, of course, backward or backdated. Okay, dear students, now these are some questions and you need to answer to the following questions. The first one is, what has changed the lifestyle of people in the world? Of course, we can say the use of computer, or the computer has changed the lifestyle of people in the world. And next one, where do we use computer? We can see the use of computer in every sphere of our life, such as we can enjoy watching movie, listening to music, playing games, and many other activities. We can use computer. What has become the part of our life? Of course, we can say the use of computer. Computer has become the part of our life. And next, when did the dream of flying become true? After the invention of aeroplane, okay, the dream of flying became true. What is now an old story? Yes, you can say the victory of the conqueror of the moon is now an old story. Can we do through mobile phones? We can connect the whole world through the mobile phones. Okay, and what are the different functions of mobile phones? There are various functions of mobile phones. Okay, we can use mobile phones for communication with people. We can listen to music. We can taking photographs and storing. We can storing information. Okay, now look, dear students. Now this time for homework. I will just give you a homework. What innovation around you surprises you the most? Write a small paragraph stating what it is, how it benefits you, and why you are surprised. Okay, dear students, thank you all. Bye.